Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Shannon and I love rocks and gemstones, and rock tumbling is one of my very favorite hobbies. And today in this unboxing video I continue to answer the question, where do I buy my rough rocks for tumbling? And I've made 4 unboxing videos, so if you're interested in seeing the different types of vendors that I've purchased from, you can view those and it'll give you a good idea of how things are shipped and what quality the stones are, and how they come packaged in the box. And I don't always show you the actual stones because sometimes they're packed really well in there. And today we are going to be looking at an order I received from Mail Order Gems. And they had a really good welcome to 2020 sale, 20% off and free shipping over $75, so I took advantage of that. However, for those who have checked out the channel community, you've already seen something that happened to this package. And if you didn't realize that I actually post in the community tab, then pop on over there and take a look. So let me show you this package. Yeah, that's not it. Ugh, both corners. Yeah. Woo. The squirrel is very upset about that outside. Anyway, okay. So we've seen boxes packed in the USPS priority mail boxes before that have come looking nicely. So there's a combination of 2 things here. That one, the post office didn't treat it very well, and that Mail Order Gems didn't tape or secure the corners of the box, which is... Anyway, I don't think anything's fallen out. I think the bags inside are too big to fall out, but still, that's not my favorite sight to see. So let me cut the rest of this open and hope that not everything just tumbles out once I've unsecured the rest of the box. Okay. Okay, here. So I picked up in this shipment some bloodstone, and I've tumbled bloodstone on this channel before, but the quality of rough that I got made it really hard to tumble. The rough was, it had a lot of pock marks in it. So anyway, I got some bloodstone. I got some white calcite because y'all know that I love to tumble calcite. It's one of my favorites. I got some red calcite because I haven't seen that anywhere else before. Red calcite. And these pieces are pretty small, but they're pretty. They're really pretty, and they do look red indeed. So I'm looking forward to throwing both of those in some of the tumblers. And then I got some desert jasper. I do love some jaspers, and desert jasper was some that I haven't collected before. And okay, got some bubble wrap in here too. Ocean jasper. You can't really see it through the bags, but this is a really pretty green and yellow ocean jasper. And then finally, I picked up a couple pounds of picture jasper. So this was the box of jaspers and calcite. So yeah, these look really nice. So all in all, I'm really happy with the items that were in the box. They look nice. They're labeled. The name of the stone and the weight is labeled on the packages. They're all in zipped plastic bags instead of just wrapped in newspaper. But the outside packaging leaves a little to be desired. So anyway, Thank you very much for joining me today to take a peek at one of the shipments that I got in recently. And again, that was mail order gems. They do have a good variety, they have good prices, and every once in a while they have a really incredible sale. And they do have free shipping if your order's over $75. Again, this is not sponsored in any way. I'm just sharing with you where I buy and why and what I get so that you can make some choices about where you want to purchase stones as well. So if you're new to the channel, if you're new to rock tumbling, you're curious about the process, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. And if you're an experienced rock tumbler and you'd like to see a variety of different stones, then make sure to check out my video Rock Tumbling Weekly, where I have 9 barrels going at the max, and then you'll see all the different types of stones that I'm running. So anyway, have a great week, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.